guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do this Walter White Bitmoji in Snapchat. So this is the Bitmoji. Okay, let's go to change outfit. Okay, I'll just walk you through my Bitmoji edit. Okay, so in your hairstyle choose the bald one and with 2 lines in forehead. Okay, let's go to the full screen. You can see properly here. Okay, now color. Okay, there is no hair, so no color. Okay, now go to beard and mustache. Okay, remember this French mustache and beard. Okay, select this one. Now go to color. Okay, little dark brown. Remember this. Okay, there is no accessories, so we'll skip this accessory section and we'll go to glasses. Okay, remember the glass. Then go to skin tone. Okay, remember the skin tone. Select this one. To eye. Okay, remember this. Now, okay, there is no eyelashes, so let's keep this one. Okay, this is your eye size. Remember this image. Select this one. Now this is distance between eyes. Select the middle one. Color of your eyes. Select this one. Okay, this is the eyebrow. Okay, remember this. Okay, I'll go slowly so you can see where. 3rd line, 4th line, 5th line, 6th line, 7th line, 10, 11, on the 12th line, the 3rd one. Okay, okay, color you can skip. Then nose on the 3rd row, the 3rd one. Okay, okay, now this is your jaw on the 1st row, 3rd one. Okay, your face shape, selected the 1st one. Mouth, this is also the 1st one. Ear, also the 1st one. Okay, no accessories. Okay, this is your cheek line. Okay, this is your forehead line. Okay, you can't see because hat is here. Anyway, in the 2nd one, 2 line in your forehead. You can skip this eye line section. Now body, I have chosen the 4th one. Okay, so this is it. Now your Walter White Bitmoji is almost ready. Okay, you can save it. Let's go down, save it. Now you can go to outfit. Okay, go to search. We'll search for a, you can select some yellow shirt or green one. So let's go to the yellow shirt section. Okay, so this is the shirt. Select the shirt, then choose light green. It's light green, yeah. Okay, okay, you can go to bottom clothing section. Okay, and you can select this underwear, and now you can go to shoes. Choose this one. Socks a little bigger one. Okay, and you are done. You can just save it. No, we have hat remaining. This one is a cowboy hat, so not suitable. This one, select this one. Okay, and you can choose color black. Once you are done, you can hit save. Okay, and your Walter White Bitmoji is ready. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can do this Walter White Bitmoji in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.